An area of concern for the original XP DEUS and ORX is the mechanism that retains the controller onto the shaft. With an inadvertent bump, the controller may become dislodged from the shaft. If lost in the field, a replacement will cost you north of $500. Here is the solution. This is a locking shoe retrofit kit for the original DEUS and ORX metal detectors. It consists of a locking shoe that replaces the factory shoe, a latch plate that connects to the back of the controller, and two longer stainless steel screws. To install the latch plate, first remove these two screws. Position the latch plate onto the controller. Using the two longer, stainless steel screws provided with your order, fasten the latch plate. To install the locking shoe, first remove the factory shoe by removing the two screws. Install the locking shoe using the same factory screws that hold on the original shoe. Make sure the locking plate is oriented with the square end up. The radius end is used on the DEUS 2, which does not require a latch plate. Loosen the thumb screw on the locking shoe. Install the controller as normal. Slide the locking plate up until it engages the latch plate. Tighten the thumb screw hand tight. Now, your controller is locked onto the shoe. It cannot be accidentally bumped off. Removing the controller is just a matter of loosening the thumb screw, sliding the lock plate down, and pushing the controller off the shoe.